Hi all, welcome to my channel, welcome to my world. This is the world of Wayne. Happy Tuesday. Today we're going to be doing stage 7 or pack 7 of the Agora Models release and build the Jaguar E-Type. Now this is going to be a video not like any other that I've done for Agora Models. We've basically got one stage where we're going to be doing the silencer, and I'm going to show you some of the pieces that we've already been working on the Jaguar, and then the rest of it we're building 2 of the rims. So what I'm going to do is, because we've seen that, and there is a separate video for that in the playlist, and I have put a link to the playlist up here, I will do a speed build for those so you can see all the troubles that I had in a short amount of time, because I'm sure I'm going to have absolutely loads. Haven't actually built it yet. If you want to get this for yourself, I have put the link down here to the Agora Models website. You can get this all the way from pack 1. But it's the spoken word time. So without further ado, let's get cracking. So as you see here, these are some of the things that we've already created. We've already put one of the wheels on. We've got the engine bay there looking like that. We don't actually use this at all in this pack, so I can put that to one side, which just leaves this rolling chassis. Well, it's not rolling at the moment because we haven't got any wheels on it, but we have got the floor pan. This is what we're going to be attaching the silencer to. So let me just show you what we're doing in the first stage. So these parts here are stage 49. Let's just get these screws open as well. And quite simply, all we're going to do is we're going to be piecing these 2 parts together, just like that, so they fit perfectly smooth. And then we're just going to hold these together with 4 of the screws, which are AG06. Yeah, I'm not looking forward to these doing these spokes. I mean, they go in fine, but trying to keep them in is another thing. And when I first started doing them, I did advise using glue. The best way to do them is just keep a steady hand. Don't use any glue or anything at all. Otherwise, you're just making things hard for yourself. But there we go. That's the silencer in here. We're just going to put that into the bottom of the floor pan. So bringing that over here, as you can see, we have got these little holes here which are going to match those there. So it's going to go this way round with the exhaust coming through the back, just like that. You heard that click in then. And we're going to secure that in again with AG06 screws just from the other side here. So we just need 2 of those. That's 1. And that one's 2. So that's the silencer in, and that's all there is to do in that stage. And that's all there is to do as far as doing things for the car. We're now going to be creating the wheel rims. So as I said, the next few stages I've just bundled them together because I'm going to be doing it in no certain order. I'm just going to open the rims up and I'm just going to do a complete speed build and get these all done. So I've put some music on here. I hope it's relaxing enough. Probably not. But let's see how we go with this. So of course that just means I put the tyre in the water, leave it there for a good minute, and then I'm going to push this onto the rim here. If I just move that to one side, I'm just going to give this a clean. Not that you're ever going to see this side, but this is just me. It does look really good though. I mean, look, check that out. All that work does pay off in the end. We haven't got many times to do this now. I think one more time to do this. And of course, because I spent so long putting these spokes in, all my cameras have run out. So now we're on the side camera just to do that in. This towel's seen better days, that's for sure. And all we're going to do is fish this out and put the rim in. Like this. Don't be afraid to go hard on this, but don't press it where the rims are. Just press it around that section. As you see, it is going in slowly. There you go. Got it. I struggled with this one. Don't normally. But there we go. Almost there. A couple bits more. There you go. And we got it in. Perfect. So that is the finished wheel. All I'm going to do now is just bring over the chassis so we can attach this. What we're going to do now is just put the wheel in so that these tabs here are going inside those tabs there. So just got to sort of like get it so that it actually falls into place there. Quite tricky because the whole part moves. I think that's it. We got it there. Put the washer in and then the screw. And then make that nice and tight. Which you can't really see until I tighten it up. Make sure there's no wobble. If there's wobble in there, then obviously you haven't seated that properly. But that's perfect, and as you can see, works excellent. That's all there is to do in that stage. All we got to do now is just make another rim. And that's where this video ends. We're just going to make the other rim. There's no point in doing another speed up for that one. We don't put the tyre on that one, but that's pretty much where Pack 7 finishes. So definitely want to get the tyres and the wheels out the way, and you can probably understand why. And then we're going to continue with the rest of the Jaguar build. But I really do hope you liked that video. If you did, please remember to give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed already, please remember to subscribe. Other than that, take care.